Students, welcome to Studies on YouTube channel, online tutorial classes, and today's topic is expansion, application of special products. Let us not waste any more time. Okay, I'm not following to any book today. It's a combination of sums from different books. Okay, so let us continue with today's sum. Sum 1 question is x square plus 1 by x square equals to 27. Very important sum. The next sum is also related to this, so consider it in this thing. It's x square plus 1 by x square equals to 27. Okay, so and we need to find x minus 1 by x. Very easy. X minus 1 by x. Let us do the squaring. We are going to get x square plus 1 by x square and minus 2, because x into 1 by x is going to get cancelled, so obviously should be left with 2. We know that x square plus 1 by x square is 27 minus 2. We need to write here. I'm not writing it, but you need to write, taking square root on both sides, because the answer is going to get 25. You must write it here, taking square root on both sides, taking square root on both sides. Okay, you need to write in a full sentence, but I'm not writing it. You must write. So after doing the square root, what the result is, we are getting x minus 1 by x equals to 5. This is the outcome. That's what we are getting. Okay, the next question is related to this. So the next question, they have asked us to, okay, and one more thing, the answer will be plus minus, because as we are doing the square root, and square root means it contains both plus and minus sign, so answer will be plus minus 5. If you're missing plus minus 5, then your answer is wrong. Remember this, if you're missing this thing plus minus, your answer is going to be wrong. Whether you get 5 or not doesn't matter, but you must not miss this. If you miss this, as I told you, you're going to face the consequence. Okay, let us proceed with the next sum. Just remember this value, x minus 1 by x is equals to 5, plus minus 5. Now why am I saying this? Because the next sum is related to this. I'm rubbing this portion. Next sum, they've asked us to get the value of, not this, so you need to get the value of 3x cube plus 5x minus 3 by x cube minus 5 by x. So easy. Yeah, it's easy. आसान है, बहुत ही आसान है. देख के बहुत बड़ा लग रहा है. It's scary, might look scary, but it's absolutely easy. Trust me, it's absolutely easy. I'm not going to solve the entire sum, but I'm going to help you out. They have given this data and we have this. We need to find this. So first write it down. Let us write it down. 3x cube minus 5x, 3 by x cube minus 5 by x. Let us take all the cubes together. 3x cube minus 3 by x cube plus 5 by x minus 5 by x. Let us take 3 common. What are we getting? We are getting x cube minus 1 by x cube plus, let us take 5 common. This is x, sorry. Let us take 5 common. We are getting x1 by x. Okay, so we are getting x1 by x. If you remember, in the last sum we got the value of x plus minus x minus 1 by x as plus minus 5, as plus minus 5, remember. Okay, so we know this value, but the thing is we need to get this value, that is x cube minus 1 by x cube. Iska value हम लोगों को निकालना है, and how to get that value. So first thing first, it contains, it has 2 formulas. Which formula to use, that's the main thing. But first look at what are the things available with us. we are going to go by that. Okay, what are the things available to us? First of all, it's x cube. Let us do it separately. X cube minus 1 by x cube. So formula is x minus 1 by x bracket x square plus 1 x square. Fine. So what are the values we are having? Do we know x cube minus 1 by x cube? No, we don't know. Do we know x minus 1 by x? Yeah, we do know that, and that is plus minus 5. That is plus minus 5. Do you know the value of x square plus 1 by x square? Yeah, that is 27. So what are we getting? We're getting it as 28. So plus minus 5 into 28. Clear? We just got this value, that is x minus 1 by x cube, nothing else. So if we multiply that x cube plus minus 5 into 28, how much are we going to get? So we are going to get plus minus 140. How much? Plus minus 140. Now what thing we need to consider? Plus or minus? That's the next thing. Till here we got the value of plus minus 140. I need to rub this portion. So let us continue. 3 common. X cube minus 1 by x cube. Sorry. This is what we are getting. So value of x cube minus 1 by x cube, as a value we got plus minus 140. So it will be 3 plus minus 140. Okay, this plus sign. Fine. 5 is going to be plus minus 5. So it will be 420 plus minus 25. So plus minus it will be plus minus 445. I hope it's clear. Fine. Let us move on to the next sum. Third sum for today. Question is a square minus 3 by a 3a square minus 3a plus 1 equals to 0. Plus 1 equals to 0. It is very easy. If you're finding this, it's very easy. And how to figure it out? कैसे करना है? Just check. जब a square minus 3y first, know the original method, then I'm going to share the trick with you. Okay, so it's a square minus 3a. Simply divide with a, the entire equation. So it will become a, it will become 3, it will become 1 by a equals to 0. Shift 3 to that side, bring all the a's together. A plus 1 by a equals to 3. So this is the equation that what we are getting. Okay, now the question is okay, the trick I'm going to share at the end of the video, end of this sum, not video, end of this sum. I'm going to share the video, the trick. So it is a plus 1 by a equals to 3. Now we need to calculate a square plus 1 by a square. Fine. अब कैसे करें? A plus 1 by a whole square. And how to get it? So we know that a plus 1 by a whole square minus 2 is actually a square plus a square plus 1 by a square. I hope you know this formula, a plus 1 by a whole square minus 2. If not, then I'm writing it here. It's simply like this: a plus a square plus b square. If you take a plus b whole square minus 2ab, you're going to get this here. If you take a into 1 by a, it is getting cancelled, so you're not writing it. But it's the original formula. How are we getting it? Let me derive it for you. A square plus b square plus 2ab minus 2ab. Now this is getting cancelled and we're getting this. So clear how this formula is relating, how we are getting this formula. I hope you won't face any problem here. Let me rub this thing. आगे बढ़ते हैं. So it will be a square plus 1 by a square equals to a plus 1 by a whole square minus 2. This is what we are getting. Okay, so it will be 3 3 minus 2, the 3 square minus 2, so it will be 3 square minus 2, that is 7. 9 minus 2 is 7, absolutely clear. So next question is related to this, is a cube plus 1 by a. What is a cube plus 1 by a? A cube plus 1 by a cube is, it is a minus 1 by a, sorry, a cube plus 1 by a cube is equals to a plus 1 by a, then comes a square, your plus your minus 1, then plus 1 by a square. We already have the value of a plus 1 by a, already value of a square plus 1 by a square. We need to just put those values. Okay, a plus 1 by a is actually 3. A square plus 1 by a square is how much? It's 7. It's 7 minus 2, so 3 into 6 is actually 18. Clear? Clear? Fine. I was thinking of sharing the trick with you, but then I thought okay, I was thinking of sharing this trick with you after the end of the sum. For that, let me do one sum for you. I'm rubbing this portion. Okay, let us take this sum only. It's a square minus 3a plus 1. Whenever you are getting this equation, it's a quadratic form of equation, but it's not quadratic sum. According to the question, the demand is you need to solve it by expansion or utilize it for expansion, and how to do so. So don't get confused. If they are presenting this equation to you, you need to kill this. Kill this means you need to solve it by a trick. Either you divide, go for the division of the entire equation by the by that element, by that letter of a variable which is having your highest power, highest degree. That is, here in this case it is square, so go with that. Don't divide the entire equation with a square. What I'm saying, take that letter. If you're not understanding, I'm describing this for the layman students, means all the students have minimum idea about the sum. This is so that you guys can understand. Okay, so it's a square minus 3 by a plus 1 is equals to 0, and we need to go for the division with a here, and as a result we are getting a minus 3 plus 1 by a is equals to 0. And for the next step, we are shifting 3 that side. Another thing, if you are getting this type of equation, or you get multiple, I'm going to share another equation also. The thing which is having that letter with the minimum degree, remove it, put it that side, and you're going to get the equation. Like let me make this thing simple. I'm talking about some other sum not related to this. Okay, let me drop this, it might create confusion. The question is here, a divided by a minus 5. Okay, now some books, they have suggested that take this thing that side, multiply it. No, I won't suggest you that. Okay, I simply won't suggest you that. Go for the simple cross multiplication stuff. You put it here, a minus 5 is equals to 1 by a, shift to that side, or you bring this side, this portion, and you bring 1 by a this side, 5 that side. You're going to get simply a minus 1 by a equals to 5. This is what you need to do. So either they're going to give you equation in this form, or in the last sum as it was given, a square minus 3a plus 1. This is the advanced form. How is it advanced form? Okay, let me show you. You have understood this form, I'm rubbing this portion. How is it an advanced form? Now check this thing. If you multiply it, it becomes a square, it becomes minus a is equals to become, and it is becoming equals to 1. Now consider this thing. Here we have 5 and here we have 3. Apart from that, technically there is no difference. Clear. And after that we need to shift this side. We need to divide the entire equation by a. Here in this case I told you as contains highest degree, that is square, so we need to go for division with that letter, and as outcome we are going to get a minus 1 by a is equals to a minus 5 equals to 1 by a. Then shifting happens and all those stuffs. I think that's a bit hectic. The thing which I've shown you, go for that. It's completely easy. Don't go for the multiplication stuff. Simply cross multiply, simply exchange the thing. Okay, simply exchange the thing. Put a minus 5 that side, bring a this side, and do the sum. It will become very easier for you guys. Let us move on to the next sum. According to the next sum, the question is x plus 1 by x is equals to x plus 1 by x whole square equals to 3. Okay, equals to 3. Now we need to find x cube plus, we need to find x cube plus 1 by x cube. X cube plus 1 by x cube, we need to get the value. Okay, for this the multiple things we need to do. X cube plus 1 by x cube. Okay, first let us understand the formula. What are the things we require for x cube प्लस 1 बाई एक्स क्यूब. पहले समझ लेते हैं कि क्या चाहिए. ठीक है, एक्स क्यूब डिमांड क्या है? इट इज़ एक्स क्यूब प्लस 1 बाई एक्स क्यूब. वाई इज़ इट इम्पॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड वॉट ये ज़रूरी क्यों कर क्यों रहे हैं? हम लोग तो यहाँ से डायरेक्ट कर सकते थे, वैल्यू पुट कर सकते नहीं. नाउ दिस इज द थिंग. नाउ दिस इज say something a cooking ingredient, say some consider it as a cake or a kheer. So what are the things you require for a kheer? If you don't know, you cannot make it. So first understand what are the demands. What are the demands are in? What are the things required here? बिना जाने आप आगे नहीं बढ़ सकते, आप नहीं कर सकते. So first you need to know what formula you're going to apply and how you're going to execute it. Without knowing that, it will be a complete foolish thing to proceed. Okay, let us write down the formulas. X plus 1 by x. Okay, then comes the formula x square minus 1 plus 1 by x square. Okay, fine. So we need to get the value of x plus 1 by x, and this is x square minus 1 plus 1 by x square. Clear? Fine. And is any more formula we can apply here? Let us check. Okay, what are the things we require here? That is x plus 1 by x, and here we are getting x square minus 1 by 1, x square minus 1 plus 1 by x square. So these are the things we require. We need x plus 1 by x. Here we can get it from here, and we require x square minus 1 by 1 by x square. We can get the value here. Yeah, let us do that. X plus 1 by x, taking square root on both sides, we will be getting, let me put square here, next step, 1 by x, so it will be root over 3. Fine, we got this value. Next thing is we need to get the value of this. For this we need to open it. So we are getting the value of 3 for this thing. Fine, so let us do the sum here. X plus 1 by x, so let us put a whole square here and put 3 here. Let us open this thing. That has become x square plus 1 by x square becomes 2 equals to 3. What are we getting? A value of x square plus 1 by x square. It is 3 minus 2. That is 1. Absolutely lovely. Why is it lovely? Lovely because its sum has become very, very easy and a very dilute answer you're going to get. See, the value of this is root 3. Just look at it. Value of x square plus 1 by x square, just now we received as 1. 1 minus 1 is 0, so forget about root 3. We're getting 0. The answer is 0. It's so simple, so innocent. It is looking very difficult. It might look difficult, might scare you, but the most scary thing actually have the most easiest solution, the most easiest way of solving. And the thing is that I'm just helping you in understanding the emotions of the sums. Okay, I hope you have understood the emotions of the sum. If you can understand the emotion of the sum, you can solve it like this. Okay, चुटकियों में सॉल्व कर सकते हो, बस आपको उसका इमोशन समझना पड़ेगा. इसी का भी आप इमोशन समझ लो, काम इजी हो जाएगा. लेट अस मूव टू द नेक्स्ट सम. Now let's move to the next sum, and why the sum is very important. I don't know, I forgot the number what I was doing. The chronological order I've forgotten completely. Let us focus on the sum. Is x value is x equals to 5 minus 2 root 6. 5 minus 2 root 6. That's what we are getting. Okay. Now we need to get the value of. Okay. Question is, find the value of root x plus 1 by root x. So this is the thing we need to get. We have the value of x. For root we need to work a bit harder. How should we execute it? Okay, let us square this thing. We are going to get x plus 1 by and we are getting x plus 1 by x, and root x is going to get cancelled, and we'll be left with minus 2. So the value is x minus 1 by x minus 2. This is what we are getting. Okay, fine. We have the value of x. Find we have here 1 by x. So is it advisable, or it is good thing to just put it here? No, we need to do something on this part. What? We need to rationalize. We have this value that is 5 minus 2 root 6. So let us get the value of x 1 by x. Let us do that separately. It will become 1 by 5 minus 2 root 6. Rationalize it. 5 plus 2 root 6. 5 plus 2 root 6. What are we getting? A square minus b square format we are getting here. Let us write that. A square minus b square, that will be a plus b into a minus b. You need to write it. So it becomes 5 square minus 2 into root 6 whole square, that is 24. So we are getting 5 plus 2 root 6. Here 25 minus 24. So 1 by x value is 5 plus 2 root 6. Now remember one thing, there is also a trick to understand whether you are doing correct it or not, whether you are doing wrong or not, whatever. The thing is, if you're getting this type of thing, x plus 1 by x minus 2, and here we have this type of form, that's third form, that is 5 minus 2 root 6, and you have a reciprocal along with that. Just remember one thing, whatever the value of the reciprocal means, whatever the value is given here, reciprocal, in case of reciprocal, the sign in the middle is going to get reversed. Remember this thing, sign in the middle is going to get reversed. Usually you get it in the minus form, so obviously it becomes plus forms. So let us put the value. We are going to get 5 minus 2 root 6 here, and for this we are going to get 5 plus 2 root 6 minus 2. So this thing are getting cancelled. This thing are getting cancelled. So what are we getting? We're getting 5 plus 5, 10, and 2, that is 12. 5 plus 2, sorry, did I miss anything? Yeah, sorry, it will be plus 2. A plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab, plus 2 will be 5 plus 5, 10, and it is going to be 12. Clear? Fine. Now let us take the square root on both sides. It will become x plus 1 by x square root, so it will be root over of 12. And you are going to get answer as plus minus 2 root 3. Now remember one thing, you just cannot write this as your answer plus minus 2 root 3 in this case, because what are we getting as root x? What are we getting as the value of x, that is 5 minus 2 root 6. 5 minus 2 root 6 as a value of x, we square root also. If we do the square root also, it is not going to come negative, not going to come 0 or less than 0. If we do the square root of this thing, is not going to, we are not going to get the value of this 5 minus root 6 less than 0. It has to be positive. So we need to write root x is greater than 0. Okay, similar manner, in the similar manner, if root x is greater than 0, then obviously the thing that is root x plus 1 by root x is also should be greater than 0. Remember this thing, this thing is also greater than 0, need to be. So in that case we are going to reject minus 2 root 3. So we reject minus 2 root 3. You need to answer this question in this manner only. If you are missing it, you are losing marks. Chap, you are losing marks. बच्चों अगर ये नहीं लिखते हो तो पूरा गलत. So answer in this case will be not plus minus 2 root 3. It has to be just 2 root 3. That is plus 2 root 3. I hope it's clear. So ये यहाँ का ट्रिक था. उसके पहले जो मैंने ये यहाँ पर कहा जी, यहाँ पर अगर x इक्वल्स टू 5 माइनस 2 रूट 6 है तो उसका रेसिप्रोकल जो होगा यहाँ पर सिर्फ क्या आ जाएगा, साइन रिवर्स हो जाएगा. कुछ और सोचो मत. स्टेप तो दिखाना पड़ेगा ऑब्वियसली, मगर सही हो कि नहीं हो रहा है अब देख के सॉल्व कर सकते हो. मैं जब पहले ही कहता हूँ मैथ्स दिखता है, देख के सम सॉल्व हो सकता है भाई. थोड़ा पेन पेंसिल का यूज़ चाहिए, बट अगर कॉन्सेप्ट आपका क्लियर है, पिक्चर आपको बन जाता है, आप इमोशन के साथ कनेक्ट कर रहे हो, तो बस काम बहुत आसान हो जाता है. ओहो, ये शो नहीं कर रहा है मेरे ख्याल से, तो मैं चल लिख देता हूँ यहाँ पर आंसर में. तो 2 रूट 3 होप शो कर रहा है. हाँ, शो कर रहा है. क्लियर. इमोशन को समझो. इमोशंस को अगर समझ में आ गया आपको सम आसान हो जाए. सम से डरने का कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. एक्सपेंशन डरावना लगता है फॉर्मूला की वजह से, मगर फॉर्मूला को अगर एक बार समझ जाओ बस what you need to do, you need to love that thing. Yeah, you need to love the formula, you need to love the execution process. मज़ा आ गया करके, आपको भी मज़ा आ जाएगा. एक बार आपको समझ में आ जाएगा तो ये सम करने में बहुत ही मज़ा आएगा. Let us move on to the next sum. Next sum is a minus b equals to 7. A minus b is equals to 7, and next data they have given a square plus b square is equals to 85. Interesting. And we need to find, क्या find करना भाई, a cube minus b cube find करना है. a cube minus b cube. Oh, a cube minus b cube. क्या इंग्रेडिएंट्स लगेगा भाई ये बनाने के लिए? मैंने जैसे कहा था खीर बनाने के लिए क्या क्या लगता है मैंने कहा था. तो इंग्रेडिएंट्स चाहिए भाई. देखो क्या क्या इंग्रेडिएंट्स चाहिए तुम्हारे पास. ये सामान तुम्हारे पास, ये स्टोर है, किराने का स्टोर जो होता है, जो भी है वो ये है आपके पास दिया हुआ है. या कह सकते हो कि सारे चीज़ आपके घर में मौजूद है. और क्या मौजूद नहीं है, क्या चाहिए वो देख लेते हैं. सो ए क्यूब माइनस बी क्यूब सम एग्जीक्यूट करने के लिए हम लोगों को क्या क्या चाहिए. हम लोगों को चाहिए ए माइनस बी ले लेते हैं यहाँ पर, और यहाँ पर चाहिए स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab प्लस बी स्क्वायर. तो ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर तुम लोग के पास मौजूद है. फाइन. हमारे पास ए माइनस बी मौजूद है. फर्स्ट क्लास क्या नहीं है यहाँ पर, हमारे पास ए भी मौजूद नहीं है. क्या मौजूद नहीं है? ए भी मौजूद नहीं है. अब इस ए बी को हम लोग कहाँ से ढूंढेंगे, कहाँ से निकालेंगे हम लोग, इसके मदद से हम लोगों को लेना पड़ेगा. देखते हैं चलिए. सो ए माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर, व्हाट आर वी गेटिंग, ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab. नो माइनस 2ab कैसे गलत हो सकता है. सो इट विल बी, लेट अस पुट अ वैल्यू दैट इज 7 स्क्वायर, a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर दैट इज 85 माइनस 2ab. सो इट इज 49 इज इक्वल्स टू 85 माइनस 2ab. तो एज अ रिजल्ट वी आर गेटिंग इट. अगर शिफ्ट कर दिया जाए तो इट विल बिकम 2ab इक्वल्स टू 85 माइनस 49 दैट इज 36. सो ab इक्वल्स 36 बाई 2 दैट इज 18. नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है? ठीक है भाई, इस साइड में कर दे रहे हैं, देख लो. यहाँ तक तो क्लियर है ना भाई, यहाँ तक क्लियर है. ठीक है, शिफ्ट हो जाएगा तो मेरे ख्याल से यहाँ तक भी क्लियर हो जाना चाहिए. यहाँ तक भी क्लियर है भाई. तो ए बी का वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगा, 36 बाई 2 दैट इज 18 आ जाएगा ना. हाँ भाई, फर्स्ट क्लास 18 आ गया. ए बी का वैल्यू भी मिल गया हम लोगों को. और कुछ दिक्कत है? कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, वैल्यू पुट करते हैं, सम्स हो जाएगा। बता दे रहा हूँ मैं, ए बी का तो वैल्यू मिल गया, दैट इज़ 18, और 2ab का वैल्यू क्यों काटे थे, गलती हो गया भाई, गलती हो गई, दैट इज़ यहाँ पर ए बी होना चाहिए, मैंने जल्दी जल्दी में 2 लिख दिया, ठीक है, करेक्ट कर लो भाई, ठीक है। वैल्यू पुट कर लेते हैं, 7 पुट करते हैं, a स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर, यहाँ पर क्या होगा 85 और प्लस क्या है, यहाँ पर तो ब्रैकेट होना चाहिए ऑब्वियसली, और हम लोगों को क्या मिला था भाई, यहाँ पर हम लोगों को मिला था 80, मल्टीप्लाई कर लेते हैं, पहले ऐड कर लेते हैं, 85 इंटू 18 कितना होगा भाई 103 इंटू 7 करेंगे तो 721 आ जाएगा। So those are the few sums which you need to practice, you need to see before you go to give the exam. Okay. इस वीडियो में इतना तक रख रहा हूँ, ज़्यादा बड़ा नहीं करूँगा, कुछ और होगा, कुछ और भी है जो मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में लेकर आऊँगा। थैंक यू बच्चों, ऑल द बेस्ट। आज मेरा वॉइस कुछ ठीक नहीं था, थोड़ा टायर्ड हूँ ऑब्वियसली, बैक टू बैक क्लासेस जा रहे हैं इसलिए काम की वजह से, तो होपफुली नेक्स्ट वीडियो में ज़्यादा एनर्जी रहेगा मेरा। ओके, ऑल द बेस्ट स्टूडेंट्स, टेक केयर, जय हिंद।